This is a house that has been recently remodeled in Houston, Texas, zip code 77035. Houses in this area are from the 60s, and you can buy an old house for around $300,000. The cost to remodel a house like this is going to be around $60,000. So you buy for $300,000, you remodel with $60,000, and you need to sell this house for around $430,000. So 430 minus 360, that's $70,000. Out of that, you need to pay closing costs, you need to pay realtor fees, and you need to pay the interest for the hard money lender. If you're trying to do fix and flips or buy and hold in Houston, please send me a message. I can show you houses that you can buy for remodel, and once they are remodeled, I can help you get them sold in less than 30 days. We have many houses in this area, so send me a message and I can help you make at least $40,000 in 3 months.